Hello and welcome, party people. Whoa, shit. Forgot to lock in my chair. I almost fell over. Where do good ideas come from? Come. That's what she said. Beat Rice, Siggy, Ice Cream, Eris, Marcy, Schmitty Cat. And then we get down here.
Oh,
and there it fucking is.
oh no, I'm blinded.
Oh my god.
Would you deep throat too slow? No. Because I have a gag reflex. I will not elaborate. We just played the worst Jackbox game ever tonight. You played Dome? Or which one's the worst on your side? Let me know, because my personal worst is Dome. And it was Dome!
Oh, now you want panties out of the snap hole.
Tonight's the night, yeah. Squeeze those nipples right. Never miss a good chance to shut up. And of course, the final stop on the train. Well, I don't know much about this streamer. His name is Quarry. I got nothing on this dude, but he looks like a bit of a nerd. Let's check out what he's got going on his side. Looks like he's doing an interview bit. Looks like he's doing it's kind of incepting in on itself. That is the same Bane that's been in the fight the entire. God damn it, what? Why did I create? The command does nothing. It's just they kept writing it.
Get it up.
What
get
does
it up.
zooming
69,
do?
Let's do it.
Fucking nothing.
69, let's do it. Let's do it.
How is it when we're the audience, it's either 0 people message us or literally every single person in the game but one messages us? Yep.
Oh, that's a little too.
House of Tuning gifted 1,000 bits.
At the end of the game, the monster hunter gets a bonus heart for every time they dig the monster type they've secretly been told to hunt.
Let's see who got the points.
The command does absolutely nothing. It's just people kept typing it, so I'm like, let me create a command that just tracks an arbitrary number.
No.
Rejection.
Yes!
The Creep earns a bonus heart for every player they reject, but only.
Too slow, too serious in that house.
I took a locket of round one's hair to remember it by. Let's look at the scores.
Unless they successfully get a date.
Thank you. House of Tuna! The oral office. Ha ha ha. And werewolf rejection means extra lost hearts.
That's right,
Ouch.
that's what you get. Too slow, too suspect.
Hey, you.
Date tonight, rejected. Give it to me, baby. Interesting.
Hell yeah.
What is Circus Dad?
Circus Dad is a part of funk.
Look, they're just trying to get in on that Clussy craze.
I just busted a fat nut in my sock, and now it's all crusty and my kids got a hold of it. Ah, damn it. What the heck do I do? Well, just stand back. Because I have the cum sock framer, much like Mr. Krabs and his first dollar. We will frame your cum sock.
I hope you shook off the nerves because it gets real in round two. The prompts are more demanding, so I've doubled the points.
The way the contest will
You're slipping into your face.
Alright, two more funny, fucked up, clever things answered on your device. Well, hey, Warplos, thank you for blowing your steam our way. That sounds gross. Thanks for blowing me? No. Would you come on command if somebody donated 100 plus gift subs? Probably.
What?
Not on command, probably involuntarily.
Quick word of advice.
Just like, I need to change my pants. I lost in a marathon. Defeat were painful. I lost in a marathon. Defeat was painful.
What?
Oh my god, McVeigh.
Fucking puns. I game hard and masturbate harder. I am a little coward, bitch. Alright, so this is the painting I got commissioned. A goldfish I used to have.
It's so big.
All right, you're
so
drawing
big.
Let's take a look.
His name was Prometheus. He was a good fish.
type.
I keep it hung up in my garage. Corey's massive cock and his
now, pick
OnlyFans
your
or
favorite.
DiGiorno. It's not you, it's DiGiorno. It's not.
I got the
you're
word,
laughing
thank
at
God.
your own joke. That's a
Thank
great joke,
God.
though. I voted for it. Is this what you want? Is this what you want to see?
Truth.
Okay. Now, either trivia fucked up the spelling so hard, or that is on point. Coffin Dacne, My Way by Frank Sinatra. What a Woda for a world. Is it one of the fucking misspelled ones? Ah, shut. Do you keep having this problem where every time you just want to get a point out, I keep getting interrupted when I...
You fucking idiot.
God damn, don't interrupt me! Hey guys, constantly tired of getting interrupted. Well, don't you worry. So here's the name of the invention. It is called...
I don't care about what the...
God damn it, no, I keep getting... Fuck! What was the invention? I kept getting interrupted! Alright, I've seen gifting subs to bots. We now got bots gifting subs to Mandy Lark Lemon. What?
Audience?
Did you put your credit card information in for your robot? He now has a badge on his name.
It's magnificent. I couldn't imagine adding anything else. Suggest one on your device now.
Oh, there's not enough beer in the world.
Oh my god.
I was watching Tipsy Toon's stream earlier today. He was playing Weapons Drawn. He had extended timers on, and then somebody went AFK. So it was literally him just talking to the camera for 7 minutes.
But
Speaking of AFK,
Gonna move on.
it's like watching your child do drugs. You just can't do anything about it.
What an analogy.
This is our last chance to so don't
what a
post anything
hopeless
back.
thought. Thanks.